And here we are back at the CCAA Men's Volleyball Championship. I have with me Preston Tucker, player of the game. Preston, this was a hard game for your team. The beginning of the first set was pretty hard. Humber College was very motivated.
Yeah, they're a good team. I mean, take no credit away from them. They pushed us, they made us sweat. I mean, this is the most tired I've been in a while, so congrats to them. I hope they do well in the bronze tomorrow.
And a great game for you too, and for lots of your players, Nate Spear, 19 kills, Nimans Verjuit, 15 kills. You had a huge game, and at the second set, we see your team regrouping and start playing as the real team that you can be.
Yeah, I mean, we knew after that first set we didn't play our best. We had to come back. And yeah, like you said, we regrouped, came together as a team, put out a new lineup, and just played like we did in practice earlier.
This has been a huge year for you guys, ranked first in Canada, and you won the title of Player of the Year. How does it feel for you?
Oh, it's a great honor. I mean, to be in that group of elite athletes, elite volleyball players, is just an honor. And I don't know, I'm blown away by everybody. Everybody says I deserve it, and you know what, it feels so good just to have all the support. And people back home sending me text messages and Facebook messages, it feels awesome.
That's great, and the World Championship, Junior Championship, were coming this summer. I imagine that you're going to be part of the selection for the national team too. What are the expectations for the future of your career?
Well, I want to take volleyball about as far as I can take it. I mean, I'd like to grow a little more, but I don't see that coming in the near future. We'll see if I go to the national tryouts. I don't know, I got to make some money at some point. So I might be there, I might not be, but either way, I'll have a great summer.
Preston, thank you very much. Congratulations and good luck for the finals tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Nous serons de retour dans quelques minutes avec le deuxième match de demi-finale entre l'équipe du Columbia Bible College et l'équipe de Bear Creek College and Seminar. Nous nous retrouvons dans une vingtaine de minutes. À tout de suite.